All right, number 2, no tomato is sufficient for no chili. We're going to write it in the if-then form. No tomato is sufficient for no chili. And also, I wanted to pull up the text and kind of show you the table that talks about those. So if P, then Q, P is sufficient for Q. So the order stays the same when you have that sufficient. If P, Q, Q is necessary. So notice when that word necessary, the order is changed. P implies Q. Then we have the order is intact, that they say all P are Q, and then P if and only if Q, Q if P. So these are some of the diagrams that can help you with the wording. This one says sufficient, so we want the order to stay intact. No tomato is sufficient for no chili. And A says if there is no tomato, then there is no chili. So that kind of matches the structure with that word sufficient. Let's look at the other options. If there is no tomato, then there is chili. That's not the same. They have one negated and one in the positive. C, if there is a tomato, then there is chili. So that kind of looks like the inverse of the statement. If there is a tomato, then there's no chili. So they made the first part positive and the second part negative. E, if there is chili, then there is a tomato. That looks like that would be the contrapositive, so the reverse order and flipped. And then if there is no chili, then there is no tomato. So that is the converse of this statement. So A looks to be the best in the if-then form, keeping the sentence structure in order.